So what's the future for drones in farming? So when we talk about drones, we're talking about aerial drones, such as those that would be used going around filming people. Now there's other types of drones being developed as well. So we're talking about driverless tractors, which have been, I think we've all seen the videos of those floating around the internet. I've not actually seen one of those in a field yet, but I'm sure it won't be long now. Obviously, when it comes to things like driverless cars, driverless tractors, lorries, all that sort of thing, I think it's going to be a little way off, but we're probably going to start seeing that developed over the next couple of years as 5G starts to roll out. If you're wondering why 5G is so essential to things like drones and driverless vehicles, the idea is that 5G will have complete coverage of the globe. There won't be any black spots where you can't get a signal. The main thing is the communication speed between the 5G devices and the actual servers that are controlling them. Over 4G, we're talking about 20, 50, 100 milliseconds of delay between a signal being sent to the device and it receiving it. When we're talking about 5G, I think we're down to something like 1 or 2 milliseconds, which is effectively instant. So focusing on drones in agriculture, in particular crop growing. So DJI, the brand that make all the big drones, they're the big name out there. They've released a range of drones called the Agris. So the Agris drones, there are various different models and attachments and all this sort of thing. So they're not the same type of drone that you would go out and take photos with or video. They're completely different. They're much bigger, they're more robust, they're designed for the job. Now, we're not talking about drones that you're going to be able to attach a ton of fertilizer on the bottom and it go off and fertilize a whole field for you. That's just not going to happen. But what they can do is you can attach, let's say, a couple of kilos of fertilizer, a good few liters of spray, herbicide, whatever, and it will be able to go off and it will be able to apply that to very specific preset locations across the field. So you're not going to be using it for blanket spraying or fertilizing. You'll be using it for the targeted approach. Now, there's obviously a lot of technology behind all of this, and this is, I think, probably puts people off. But I think it's something that's coming, whether you like it or not. The government are making it harder and harder to get on the land and actually apply manure and fertilizer and sprays. Every year it gets harder and harder. There's going to come a point when the only time of year you're going to be able to go onto a field is the one time of the year where you can't actually travel on it, because that's just how crazy they are. Now, drones will half solve that problem because obviously they don't need to travel, they're flying through the air. If you can see this sort of problem coming in your direction for crops that you're looking after, then maybe drones is something you should consider. So the Agris range, like I say, they've got attachments for doing spraying, they've got attachments for dropping fertilizer. So let's have a quick look at the Agris range and see what they've got on offer.
How can agricultural innovation be taken to the next level? A highly efficient, reliable, and intelligent tool is the key. This is the DJI Agris T16. The Agris T16 was designed from the ground up. It features 6 rotors, an RTK dual redundancy system, and an avionic redundancy system. It has a payload of up to 16 liters, a spray rate of up to 4.8 liters per minute, and 8 sprinklers work perfectly with the downward airflow, resulting in an impressive spraying effect. It has a spray width of 6.5 meters, which can cover an area of 10 hectares per hour. The multi-aircraft control mode functions with the FPV camera as well as an HD video transmission system with a range of up to 3 kilometers, ensuring flight safety and boosting spraying efficiency. Thanks to an all-new modular design of the T16, both the spray tank and batteries are easily swappable, which significantly improves operational efficiency. Its core module has a rating of IP67, making it easy for maintenance. The foldable aircraft arms are convenient for storage and transportation. A new battery management system and a 2600-watt 4-channel intelligent battery charger increase charging cycles by 100%. When flying in complex farmland environments, the onboard DBF imaging radar empowers the aircraft to fly over varying terrain intelligently. When encountering an obstacle, the T16 detects the obstacle's orientation and the distance to it, automatically planning a flight path to circumvent the obstacle. Pilots can view the live video feed and adjusted route on their remote controller. After circumventing the obstacle, the T-16 will automatically resume spraying. To target unevenly distributed fruit trees and varying heights, the T-16 comes equipped with intelligent solutions. With the Phantom 4 RTK, users can perform centimeter-level scanning of the orchard. Then, DJI Terra conducts 3D mapping of the scanned area. With its AI technology, Terra can also generate 3D flight paths for more efficient planning. With the help of the RTK centimeter-level positioning system, the T-16 is capable of flying precisely along flight paths while accurately adjusting its spray rate according to tree distribution, reducing the pesticide dosage. The DJI Agris T-16 delivers more efficient, reliable, and intelligent solutions, pushing the boundaries of crop protection. It lifts agricultural efficiency to new heights, opening more possibilities for the future of agriculture.
So I hope you found that interesting. If you'd like to know more about drones, then leave a comment, let me know what you think, whether it's about the tractor drones or the spraying drones, whatever. If you'd like to see more information about that, let me know, and I'll spend more time looking into it and really get in depth and do some more videos, and sort of maybe look at a possible route of entry into using drones for a contractor or a farmer. Now, the videos that DJI show, they are USA based. There's additional regulations in the UK for applying sprays from the air, so I'm pretty sure at the moment you can't buy one of these drones and start going out spraying with it. I think you have to use like a fogger attachment rather than a spraying attachment. But I know people in the drone industry are working with government to try and get the laws changed, because it's going that direction. So they need to change the regulations to allow the technology to be rolled out. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.